Hi, Charles here. Well, this is not a normal episode. The other day, I started working on my overall review of how we constructed the van, and I'm going to sort of have it in segments. And so I thought, well, I'm going to do an Instagram. So I grabbed little pieces out of the whole van build. It took quite a while, and then I sped it up crazy, so I got it under 60 seconds. So I've slowed it down 50%. So this will just be kind of a fun way to see from empty to finished. And here we go. Hope you like it. Oh, by the way, there will be a long version of it that'll be more like 15 minutes or so that will show section by section what I did in this van build. And thanks for watching. There's a very fast review of how we put this all together, and in my video about the cost of the van, that focus of that was exactly what I said it was. It was our cost for constructing the van. I did not really include all of the stuff that was given to me by corporate partners, and I've had a couple of comments. I just want to say that if I had not gotten all that stuff from these wonderful companies, most of it I probably wouldn't have bought. I would have probably gotten some kill mat. I already had a 12-volt fridge. I may or may not have even put a rack on there. I know I would have bought at least the side camera along with the other two cameras and monitor that I bought. And I might have been convinced if Susie wanted to go with Custom Mattress Factory for the mattresses. But other than that, all the other stuff, I already had most of that. I already had a couple of lithium batteries, one from Ecoflow. So I considered those accessories. And so when I did that van build, saying it was around 7,500, and then actually maybe 200 or 300 more than that. I forgot about the graphics that I had done by a friend of mine who has a company. I did pay him, and I did pay my son-in-law and his dad whenever they worked on the van. So it probably is up several $100s more. But anyway, that's why I didn't make a big deal about the corporate partners, because those are things that I'm using with the van, but it's not part of constructing the van. So just wanted to kind of clear that up. And thanks for watching.